talk about how can you enable artists messages, emails, notifications on your Audiomack app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on notifications, just click on it. Then come to next step here, come here to artist messages emails, click here in this sign. So that like you see here, this color show for us. That's mean artist messages emails notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.